Have you ever imagined a house with two swimming pools, where one is literally on top of the other? This is the wall house. Like a wall of a 21st century castle, not made of stone, but of concrete, glass, and wood. Not for protection, but because of the neighbors and the strong winds of the Atlantic. A courtyard house with a Mediterranean country culture on the harshness of the Atlantic coast. Two pools are located in the courtyard, crossing each other. One on the ground and the other in the air, as if it were a bridge over the courtyard. Minimalist, elegant, and almost transparent. Inspired by the beauty of its surroundings, it is a creation of the Guedes Cruz Arquitectos studio, where water takes on the role of protagonist. It has two incredible overlapping pools. It's something like this. One pool serves as a foundation, and the other functions as if it were a roof. Confusing? Not necessary. Transparency inspired the architecture of the residence, which means that diving into one pool might seem like you're diving into the other. The courtyard is intelligently designed to combat strong winds, while incorporating light and water into an architectural spectacle. Giant guillotine sliding windows with counterweights open to the golf course that can be seen from the interior spaces. It can be opened to create a direct connection between the interior space, the garden, and the golf course. Even the roof is graded, thus visually open. The house is actually built as an open box, with the rectangular structure surrounding the courtyard. The wall house is located 25 km from the Portuguese capital in the Portuguese Riviera, a typical VIP summer resort, since in the 19th century, King Louis I of Portugal and the aristocracy of the time made the city of Cascais a luxury area to spend the summer. These movable panels are a device that, like a castle, historically uses the wall to enclose the space. It is a fortress that has several different ways for the wall to open, move, and slide around. The space is filled with shadows. Reflections and movements multiply, generating suggestive visual perceptions and accentuating the perfect union of water, air, and light. This aerial pool also serves as a ceiling for the circular staircase of the courtyard, made of wood, with a metal handrail leading to the basement. In this place, the courtyard walls are covered with vegetation, giving the impression of being in the heart of nature, with water as the ceiling. The basement contains the garage, service areas, home theater, wine cellar, and sauna. Despite its grandeur, The house exudes a sense of tranquility, offering intimate spaces like the master bedroom with a serene outdoor area overlooking the pools. On the upper floor, the suites are connected by corridors lined with white wood, very bright, and also feature panoramic windows to the outside. The clean lines and elegant yet very simple interiors focus attention on the landscape in 360 degrees. Just walking through the over 1,000 square meters house reveals all the viewpoints through the glass walls. Most houses have doors and windows that open, but this house has walls that move, large pieces of wall, made of wood or glass, that move in different configurations. All with the touch of a button can be adjusted to meet the privacy needs of the owner, or when the cold winds from the Atlantic blow strongly. At every corner there is beauty, excitement, and a sense of awe. This house is an exceptional representation of modern luxury architecture that varies between air, water, and nature itself.